place to take proper possession of this. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone. Lies my happiness. Hands down. Now it's